21st weekend of December. December 8th, 2024, CN Hayes here, 1315, coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals, Barents on Main, milepost 128.8 with a video lined up for you. Going to have a power move of today's S773 81 of the 8th on the way. Quartz heady units on there, dash 92585 deleted with ES44 DC's 2270, 2304. And my next and 13th of 60 of the C6M rebuilds of the 3377. As that one was previously GECX knee BNSF 4517. And that was my 13th of 60 of the GECX knee BNSF variants. The ATSF railfan was by the main line to see that power move, and he also had a southbound as well prior to 773's arrival. So how about that? The next C6M rebuild in. And that's going to do it for the power move departure of today's S77381 of the 8th. And we'll do it for this video. West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.